Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Porsche Panamera Turismo. This is the Turbo S with the E-hybrid engine. And it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the quad headlights, fog lights. This one also is equipped with night vision and dual panoramic sunroofs. This is also a hybrid. And there's a sneak peek of the interior. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. You see that it does have tint all the way around. I'll go ahead and give you a shot of those panoramic sunroofs. They're absolutely gorgeous. This second row has heated seats. There are the controls right there. This folds down into cup holders. See, you do have wood inserts as well. See, it does have two driver presets there. Here are your controls for the trunk. Here are your seat controls as well. It does have Burmester sound. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 10,584 miles on this vehicle. There we go, we'll start it up. You see that it does have speed zone recognition. And this is our trip computer toggle right here. And you also have paddle shifters. And you do have push to talk, your stereo controls all right here, cruise controls. As you come over here, you have your stereo controls, of which you do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. There's your navigation as well. It does have a very quick computer, and you see that it does have a very large navigation screen. This is fantastic. And here is your Bluetooth connections and your car connections. Well, your car settings. You see here are your chassis settings for normal, sport, and sport plus. Controls, then your displays also. Very versatile. Then your system. And you can actually go into Sport or Sport Plus from here, as opposed to just e-Power or hybrid. Your climate controls also. And you do have power vents right here. You can also synchronize your climates, control your venting, the directions. As you see, as I move this, it will change the directions of that. Your comfort, we have it set to medium right now, and then you can also set it for timers so that it can pre-cool the vehicle before you get in it in the summertime, for instance. Here are your parking assists, your e-charging. So you would need to, as the new owner, sign up for that. And then you do have such as Twitter, weather. And here are your assists. So for your surrounding assist right here, traffic jam assist, park assist. As you see, you have sensors, backup camera as well, lane keep assist, Porsche active safe, and then your night view assist, which obviously would only be working actively in the dark, and then lane change assist as well. And I already showed you the backup camera. And as you come down here, you have manual controls as well as the touch screen in the infotainment center. And you can also from here turn on your heated seats or cooled front seats. And your defrost is here. You can also go into sport mode or sport plus from here. Traction control, air conditioning max and individuals. There's your key fob as well. And as you look down here, you'll see that you do have a 12-volt power outlet right there, and then cup holders. And additional stowage there. You're also going to have your auxiliary ports and USB ports and 12-volt there as well. And as you come up here, you see the suede roof, and then your controls for your sunroofs as well, and for your parking sensor. And I will also upload some still photos as well as descriptions to accompany this video. And here's the VIN right here. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up front, which the airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we made all the repairs necessary and got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.